Here we have a data sufficiency question in which we have been given if y is greater than 0, the question is x greater than y? Let me rewrite this. Is y greater than x? And this question needs to be answered in the form of either yes or no. Now let's look at the first statement, which says 3x is equal to 2y, which means we can quickly say that y is equal to 3 over 2 of x. Now we have to assimilate two informations. The first is y is greater than 0, that is already given in the question right here, and the second is y is 3 by 2 of x. Since y is in the form of x, that means if y is positive, then x also must be positive, and we can see that y is 1.5 times of x, which clearly means that y has to be greater than x for this information to be true, and therefore we can conclude that we have definite answer to the question as definitely yes, and hence we say that the first statement alone is sufficient. Since the first statement alone is sufficient, option B, C and E can be eliminated. Now let's look at the second statement, which says x plus y is equal to 5, and we know that y is greater than 0. So we can take y is equal to 3 in one case, in which x is 2. We can take y is equal to 2 in another case, in which x is equal to 3. Now in both the cases we have taken x and y both positive. Essentially we had to ensure that y was positive, but in the first scenario where I have chosen x is 2 and y is 3, we can see that x is less than y, while in the second case when x is 3 and y is 2, x is greater than y. That means we have conflicting answer to the question, which is sometimes yes and sometimes no, and conflicting answer simply means that the given information is not sufficient to answer the question. Hence the final answer to the question becomes option A, which is statement 1 alone is sufficient but statement 2 alone is not sufficient. Thank you so much, and if you like the video, please subscribe the channel as well. Thank you.